For my trainings came Artur. He was without any successful man close style. As Artur said, he had just one girl in the past, and she was dominant type, while he was passive type. He found me on website, saw my Alphaman program and decided to take these courses. One of the most attractive thing for him was that these Alphaman training courses are flexible. You can go on them where you have free time. So here in the video he's talking with one beautiful lady, brunette, and he's doing basically mistakes like amateur. He's helping her, he's not creating attraction for her, and she is leaving him, and Artur is without any results. So I corrected his all mistakes, what he is doing bad. So another situation, look, girl on the shop, in the shop center, and Artur came with not powerful body language, weak body language. He cannot stop girl, and I decided I must change his inner game. I must change how he thinks. So here he is talking about, I'm viewing how he is thinking, and I fixed it, and now he is moving and talk with another girl and also shop center because it's the winter. So now he's talking, and the results go better. He's telling story. The girl feels interested about him. So girl said, let's go, because let's move, because camera is shooting us, and it's need to move to show that you are buying something. So Artur said another storytelling technique, and it works. So
wanna stop my fears now, recalculates my investigation, now believes in what I'm doing.
I was sent all my books and DVDs for Artur, and at his home he was watching it and improving his thinking. We changed his thinking into Alphaman thinking. So girl is more interested, and Artur start to dominate. He moves here, he feels good energy about them, and girl shows indicators of interest, and Artur get his first number. Artur was so happy that he cannot believe what happened.
My third sin, it came along to me. My second sin, I did not trust you, why?
So I'm very happy, thank you Irenas. She felt interested about me, and I'm very happy. So I found the similarities here, and I felt that she is interested about me, so I took her telephone number.
Touch me how I wanted, touch me like you never do it.